Good morning, guys. Just got to the gym right now. I'm actually sitting right outside the gym. It's currently 10:15 a.m. This is day 4 of the 10-day mini cut transformation series. Last night, as you guys know, if you guys watched my previous video, I was working. It was a late night last night. I probably only got about 6-7 hours of sleep. And I actually just finished my pre-workout. I'm gonna be doing a fasted leg workout. I didn't want to do a fasted leg workout, but my stomach just wasn't feeling that great tonight or this morning. So I'm gonna go in the gym, hit a leg workout, and then do probably about 20 to 25 minutes of Stairmaster. First time on this 10-day mini cut. And then tomorrow's we're gonna be back at it again, but I'm gonna be switching on my routine, as I mentioned in the first video, my workout routine. So let's go in the gym right now. I'll probably film some raw clips. I'll probably talk in between sets, and then we'll play by ear. Saw there, doing some 2-3 second pause squats at the bottom. There's no excuses. I should be lifting a lot heavier, but you know what, at least I'm doing squats. That's one thing I need to improve on. By doing them, practice does make perfect, but there's no excuses. So I'm gonna keep building on that, get the squats out of the way. I'll do a couple more and lower the weight and really focus on those outer quads since I'm a taller person. So move on to the next exercise after that. here, guys, on the Stairmaster. Sweating from head to toe. I must say, some of my best workouts come from leg day. I don't know if it's because I sweat a lot. My legs are on fire. I just feel good. I feel like I've lost weight. I feel like I've burned fat. Anyways, I know I don't lift that heavy, but fuck, they're good workouts. Anyways, guys, so I haven't ate anything and it's currently 11:30 a.m. I gotta go grab something to eat, but however, today's vlog that should be up, which is day 3, I have not even edited yet. So I gotta go home and that's the first thing I gotta edit. So I'm not a day behind. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, sorry guys for not vlogging the past 3 hours. As I mentioned, I had to upload the day 3 video. This is now day 4, so I had to get that up. It's currently 3:30 p.m. and I have not ate a single meal. This is my first meal, and that's why you guys are probably thinking 10-day mini cut transformation series and the kids eating KFC. Well, this is around 900 calories and I have not ate anything and it's 3:30, so I've just pushed back all my other meals. So as long as I eat pretty clean and low fat, because I think I can only play with 5 to 10 more grams of fat throughout the rest of the day, then I can eat this. So just some tips for you guys. If you guys are going to be eating unhealthy, either have it with not many meals in you already, and if you already do have meals in you already, then the rest of the day you're just gonna have to be a lot more strict with your diet. So I'm gonna eat this, we're gonna shop around, see if we like anything, and oh, and also it comes with a cookie. So I'm gonna enjoy this meal and I'll see you guys in a bit.